Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Bea and I'm glad you're back. And in case you are new here, my channel is about mixed media, painting, art journaling, assemblage and anything else what sparks my interest. And today I'm here for week 29 for Everything with Wing. A weekly series for mini canvases from recycled cardboard with all kinds of wings. If you want to see more, I have the playlist in the iCard in the upper right corner. So as you can see, I was playing with some old sewing pattern. It's gonna be my background. To glue down the sewing pattern, I use a simple glue stick. As I have already finished work on the other side, I have to clean my working area right away. Yes, I do use both sides. As some of you may already know, I have planned to bind it into a booklet at the end of the year. I would say about 95% of my canvases are started with gesso or some gesso later. Yep, it is the most used ingredient in my place, so not different here. To give some background color, I use the gelatos by Faber-Castell. Not a lot, just like a hint. And now to the stamping. First I did stamp some ravens. I love ravens and crows and I have a lot of stamps, but I mostly use the one here in the video. Unfortunately, I don't remember what brand it is. The same thing I have to say about the word stamp I'll use later, no idea what brand. A little tip here. Whenever you stamp over a gessoed surface and want a clear stamped image, make sure that your ink pad is juicy and give it some time to transfer while holding firmly in place. mostly want the word magic from this stamp. So I use a post-it note before I ink up and then remove it before I stamp. For the crown and the berry I use gel pens in gold and red glitter. I collect gel pens in all kinds of colors whenever I come across them. I just should use them a bit more. Some of them dried up on me. Oh well, others collect handbags and shoes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment and share on whatever social media you are on. And just in case you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notification. I really enjoy my subbies. You motivate me to make more projects for YouTube. I usually have 2 videos per week. See you soon!